Look, Daddy, I can see the river.
Oh, well spotted, Miffy. Oh, lucky I've got such a keen-eyed co-pilot.
We must be nearly at Grandma and Grandpa's house.
That's right. See if you can spot it before...
Oh, there it is.
Oh, goodness me. You do have good eyes. Oh, I can't wait to get there. Grandpa said he's got a big surprise for us.
Ooh, a surprise, a surprise. Grandma!
Hello, Miffy, love. And hello, dear. Grandpa's waiting for you both. Apparently, he's got a big surprise for you.
Hi, Grandpa. What's our surprise?
Miffy.
Now let your daddy and I have a proper catch-up first, and then I'll show you.
Can I go exploring?
Of course you can. Just like you at that age. Now, come and get a glass of lemonade.
What's this?
Busy exploring, Miffy.
I love exploring Grandpa's house. I wonder what's in here. Ooh!
That's beautiful, isn't it? Be careful, though. It looks very old.
Sail, 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 I'm sailing on the sea. Sail, 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 will you come and sail with me? Sail, 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 over the wobbly waves. Sail, 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 with the dolphins and the whales. There. I wonder what else is in here. Oh, what a funny coat!
It looks like it would fit a little bunny. I wonder who it belongs to.
Oh, there must be another little bunny somewhere. Grandma! Grandpa! Where's the other little bunny, Grandma? I want to play with them.
What other little bunny, Miffy?
The one with the nice toy boat.
Oh, that little bunny. As a matter of fact, he's with your grandpa right now.
Thanks, Grandma.
Oh.
Nothing but lemonade for a whole month. And
Yes, so about this surprise.
Well,
Little bunny, where are you?
who are you looking for, Miffy?
I'm looking for the little bunny.
Well, there's no little bunnies in here, apart from you.
No, not me. The little bunny who has a toy boat in the spare room.
Oh, that little bunny. Now, here he is.
He's wearing the jacket.
Well, well, was I ever that small?
You're the little bunny.
That's right. Or at least, I used to be.
He used to play with that boat all the time.
And it's still here? I'd forgotten all about it. Oh, come on, Miffy, show me. Oh, I have grown. Oh, and look at this. And this. Oh, they kept all my old toys. Oh,
The boat is the best.
oh yes. I had so many adventures with this boat. Sail, 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 sail my little boat. Sail, 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 on the water you will float. Sail, 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 across the wobbly sea. Sail, 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 it's a sailor's life for me. Here, Miffy, you have it.
Really? Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Grandpa gave it to me. It used to be his boat when he was a little bunny.
That must have been a long, long time ago.
Not that long ago, thank you very much. I say, why don't we all go down to the river for a spot of sailing?
Yes, please.
yes!
Sail, 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 I'm sailing on the sea.
Oh, why don't you get
What was that, Grandpa?
all part of the surprise? Now come along.
It was your boat first, so you should have first go.
Oh, thank you, Miffy. Sail, 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 sailing down the stream. Sail, 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 that's every sailor's dream. Sail, 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 sail down to the sea. Sail, 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 will you come and sail with me?
I love your boat, Grandpa.
Oh, thank you, Miffy. But now, are you ready for your surprise?
Look, Daddy, look!
Ahoy there, Miffy! Surprise!
Ahoy there, Grandpa! I like your new boat even more than your old boat.
Well, I always said I'd have a real boat when I grew up.
And now you do.
It's brilliant. Can we have a go?
What are you waiting for? Let's set sail!
Sail, 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 sailing down the stream. Sail, 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 that's every sailor's dream. Sail, 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 sail down to the sea. Sail, 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 will you come and sail with me?